wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best tabletop charcoal grills. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Isumer barbecue doesn't have the surface area for cooking for large groups, but its small size and 4-pound weight make it very portable. You can adjust the height of each leg individually, or detach them all together if you prefer. It comes with a tightly spaced grate for skewers and is easy to disassemble and clean. However, it is less durable than other models. At number 9, the Firefly 9-inch is one of the most compact models on the market. It's easy to light as it's shaped like a chimney starter, so the coals heat up quickly and evenly, and food cooks a little faster on it than it would on a traditional model. It includes a hinged top for easy access to the coals and arrives fully assembled, but it is overpriced for its size. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Cuisinart CCG has a large ash catcher that's easy to clean and keeps your cooking area neat and tidy. It's not as durable as similar kettle-shaped models, but some prefer it because the lid has 3 secure locks to hold it all together for transport. It's equipped with an enamel-coated firebox and comes in at a budget-friendly price. However, the grate fits loosely and wobbles a bit. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Tabletop Charcoal Grills, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Marsh hibachi sports the vintage look of old Japanese-style grills. It doesn't come with any bells and whistles or even a lid, but the 2 cast iron grates can be placed in different positions if you want to cook 2 items at once. It's the ideal size for 2 people and weighs under 20 pounds, but the wooden handles are flimsy. Moving up our list to number 6, the Weber Smokey Joe is the perfect on-the-go solution for fans of the company's classic kettle-shaped barbecues. It's also a popular option for apartments with small balconies, or for those times when you want to grill just a little something for yourself. It's equipped with a triple nickel-plated grate and is easy to put together. However, the cooking surface is tiny. Halfway off our list at number 5. If you prioritize efficiency and convenience, the Raptor Travel might be what you're looking for. It cools down to room temperature in only an hour, making it easy to transport, and is specifically designed to keep your hands clean during ignition and cooking. It features tight tolerance valves that conserve heat and an enamel-coated porcelain body. It can hold 16 hamburgers. At number 4, the durable Oklahoma Joe's Rambler is built to last, thanks to thick cast iron grates, a heavy-duty steel body, and sturdy handles for transport. Its adjustable charcoal tray lets you choose between high heat or slow and low cooking. It includes a removable ash pan, a 218 square-inch cooking surface, and a temperature gauge. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the barrel-style char-broil American features a thick tube handle for opening and closing the lid quickly, which minimizes heat loss. Its large drawer slides out for easy cleanup, and side-mounted dampers allow for precise temperature management. It includes durable cast iron grates and is simple to assemble. It's easy to load charcoal into as well. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Tabletop Charcoal Grills, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Weber Go Anywhere features plated steel legs that fold up when you're done and help secure the lid in place, turning it into a compact model that's easy to transport. The lid handle conveniently stays cool during cooking. It's large enough for 4 medium steaks and equipped with 2 dampers to control the airflow and a rust-proof enamel coating. And taking the top spot on our list, the rugged Lodge Sportsman is made from heavy-duty cast iron, and the cooking grate comes pre-seasoned for optimal results right out of the box. It provides a roomy 17 by 9-inch surface and flips open in the front to offer easy access to the coals. It offers 2 height options, a draft door to regulate the temperature, and a built-in shelf for utensils. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Tabletop Charcoal Grills, or simply click beneath this video.